Sometimes you may only need to view holes in a certain area, such as the extent of a pit or a new advance. For this exercise, assume you want to view only these 3 rows on the east side of your drill hole field. You can draw a polygon to surround the holes of interest, then view only those holes that fall within the polygon extent. To get started, return to Plan View. Before you start to digitize your polygon, you may want to change the color to something that contrasts more with the background. You can also change the thickness of the line. Now you are ready to digitize a rectangle to surround your drill holes. Only digitize points to define 3 of the 4 vertices, then pause. Now you can right-click to close the polygon. When you right-click to close, you avoid duplicate points at the closure location. The polygon object generates to your CAD folder. You can right-click the polygon to rename it. Now you can leverage the search tool to select all drill holes captured by the polygon. You can also right-click the drill hole database to access the search functionality. You want to search by an area. You can drag and drop your polygon to the panel. The holes that lie within the extent of the polygons are selected. You could right-click the selection in Explorer to launch a new view with only the chosen holes, or click this button. You can leverage the search tool to select objects by name, area, or volume. Once objects are selected, you can perform actions such as changing the appearance, performing transformations, or querying the data. For more information about online training courses, please visit maptek.com/training/online.